Okay, today is a good day. What else do you want more than this, huh? Alright, first we got AR. TikTok published already. It's now public. Let's go ahead and hop into it. We can, let's go ahead and create our full filter.
I'll start recording 1, 2
filter.
Okay.
Alright,
right now as you can see, you guys can hear me now, and I'll blur out my computer so you guys cannot hear nothing from my computer. So now what you need to do, you gotta go ahead and head out on your whatever you're using is. You gotta go ahead and search. Oh, look at that sexy boy. Effect house. So once you search in the effect house, it's gonna show you guys to basically you guys are new, so you're gonna need to log in and everything like that. So you're gonna go ahead and click download, where it says download effect. You just click there. I already have it, so I don't have to download it. And yeah, once you click there, we're gonna go ahead and click learn. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and click learn. And you can see where this says guides. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and click, keep scrolling, click where it says post effect and click filter. And from now on, we're just gonna go ahead and click the color code zips, and just that. Once you do that, you're just gonna exit out. We're gonna go ahead and open out our effect house. Open up the effects house and then insert whatever you're gonna do. I don't know, just follow along with me. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and click create a new project. As you can see, just open up a big screen now. All right, and as you can see right here, where is everything I will plug in. Okay, we click here imports, click import from the computer. Okay, and then from there, you're just gonna need to come here. Why it's not working? Anyway, from now you just need to come here and then select whatever you want to select. Okay. Hold on. I think it does work like this because I just don't have the new. Yeah, you gotta open it first. You gotta open it. It's a zip color LUTS, of course. So once you do that, you just need to come up here and just click import from laptop, and boom. And as you can see, we just open up. This is everything right here. I'm gonna go ahead and select everything and click open. Okay, click open. Click open. And as you can see up here where it says the object, you just need to click there and click post effect again. Click filter, and boom. Once you do that, that's where it's gonna be. And then what you can come on the ground where or you can come on the other side where it says texture. You click there. Okay, where it says texture, you just click there, and here is where you can basically you can import all type of color you want. As you can see, we have all type of color we want. I'm gonna go ahead and click the black and white. Boom. As you can see, that's black and white right there. Okay. Alright, if you don't want, you can go to your home page and take the original color and import that to your phone, and make sure you do the same thing as the Spark AR, and that's how you can confirm it inside, in and out, whatever you want. And you can bring back up here. And from now on, I'm just gonna go ahead and add out my favorite, the one I did before. I'll post a new video. I'll post a new video with that. And this is it right here. Okay. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good color. So link will be in the description for it. You guys can use it. Where is that at? Where are you? I just add you right now. Where are you? As you can see, you have plenty of colors. Okay, you have a plenty of colors. Okay, you can play out with this. Yeah, here's mine, and this is mine right here, and boom. Basically, mine is just like tin blue, whatever you want to say, and boom. Yeah. Basically, that's how you get to make your own filters. And now you just need to go ahead and click submit. All right, and here is where you put of course, title that will be blue tone All right, and then here you just need to submit any filter, like any photo that you want to match up with it. And then though I'm probably gonna put this one because I'm just doing it for the video. By the way, I can just switch it up like that. As you can see, just click apply, and right here hints you can switch whatever you want to say, show face, because mine is like just so good. All right, and then after that you can just click continue, and once you click continue, and then here is where you get to see choose the effects. Either you're replacing it or you're replacing any, I don't know, like you know, you get me. And right here is where you can just select it, whatever you want to select it, and add some title to whatever you want to add it. And right here comment, and right here just submit a demo video showing you guys, like, just, you know, little demo video. Okay, and as you can see, this is me right here. It was like, I don't know when was this, but it's like a long time ago. And you just click submit it, and once you do that, you just need to wait for 72 hours. Yeah, you just need to wait for 72 hours to get your filter review, and then boom, you ready to go. Okay, like you ready to go. Anyway, if you guys find this video interesting, make sure to go ahead and comment down below and subscribe to stay tuned, because I have a lot of work videos in works right now. I'll be uploading every single week, every single day, it's just like a daily. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later, and don't forget to like this video, and yeah.